Hey guys, so I teamed up with Dsoar hair to achieve my middle part sleek look. Stay tuned. So after I have bleached the knots, shampoo, and condition, I'm just going to take my Silk Elements Heat Protectant Spray and I'm just going to blow dry her out. So now I'm just going to take my hot comb and I'm just going to press out the roots so I can have a flat surface to work with once I create my middle part. This slick stick is everything. It helps with the flyaways in the very front of your hair and it works good with the hot comb as well. Now that I have plucked this wig to death, I am just going to take my Conair Infinity Pro flat iron. I believe this is a 2-inch flat iron, and I'm just going to flat iron the wig all the way out.
Okay, so now that I have her on, we're just gonna throw on a little bit of makeup to spice this up, and I'm gonna come back with the rest of my review.
Okay guys, so once again, this is Dsoar hair. I'm just gonna give you just a quick rundown of the wig. This is a 5x5 closure wig, so that means you get 5 inches from here to here, and then 5 inches with a parting space. It's not too good with the parting space. I wish it was 6, but I mean, 5 will do. I did go ahead and I did bleach the knots with my BW2 powder and 30 Vime developer, and I let that sit for a good 25 minutes and it bleached just like that. So it took well to bleaching the knots, and then I went ahead and I plucked it. Plucking, easy breezy, no problems with that as well. This density is 150. Let me just go ahead and bring all the hair to the front. This is all you get. Literally, this is all you get. So if you want a natural look, this wig is definitely for you. But I recommend getting maybe like 1 bundle and go ahead and add it to the wig to give it just a little bit more thickness, and it will be perfect. It came in the natural 1B. I'm not even sure this is 1B. It almost looks like a number 2. It is really brown. So, I mean, yeah, it sort of kind of looks black on here, but looking at it up close and personal, it is really brown. They're good with shipping. So the wig came in like maybe like 3 days, so you'll get it really, really quickly. It's gonna come in your standard bag, of course, your details of the wig, and they're gonna give you like this little satin bonnet, which is very cute. I'm gonna put my hair right in this, and then they give you some mink lashes, and these go a very long way. For the longevity of this wig, while I was washing it, blow drying it, I feel like it really won't last that long. I would say I would give it maybe like 7 to 8 months, but with good proper maintenance, I would give it close to a year for this wig to last. I can tell that it may tangle just a little bit once it starts to get older, so that's what I did pick up on. But overall, this is 24 inches, so it came, it sat right on my tailbone. Now, the ends of the hair, just a little bit too ratty for me, so I went ahead and I just gave it a nice little trim. I really didn't take too much off at the bottom, but y'all, the wig is a standard wig. If you're not into the whole frontals or whatnot, go ahead and try the closure lace wigs first, and then go ahead and level up to the lace frontals and so forth. So this wig, I mean, it's cute. It's cute. It's just a standard wig. That's really all I have to say about it. I like how it came out once I went ahead and I flat ironed her out with my Infinity Pro. It came out silky smooth. I used the Silk Elements, which really kicked it up a notch. And overall, this is your Dsoar sleek middle part wig. It does come with an adjustable strap in the back, so I went ahead and I tightened it up just a little bit. My cap is small, so I don't know if this is somewhat big head friendly. The wig caps come in small, medium, and large, so just pick accordingly. And it comes with 4 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the very back, and 1 at the top. I don't use the one at the top ever. I rarely ever use the combs on the side, but I do use the comb in the back just to secure the wig. Now, if you wanted to spray this down, you could definitely do that. Use my Got2b spray in the video, as you can see. But if you do want to wear this wig glueless, y'all, I could have done that. It did not take, it really didn't take any spray. I just wanted to do it just because. But if you wanted to wear it glueless, you definitely can. It fits very snug to my head. I honestly did not have to use the Got2b spray, so that is a plus on that. But overall, guys, that is the specs on this hair. Once again, this is Dsoar hair, and I will see you again soon.